You have probably seen videos like this one, or this one,
Yeah.
or this one. What they all have in common is that they are made with the Sora AI tool. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Sora AI without an invitational code. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is head into the settings and onto your account. After this, you want to head down to the App Store icon called Media and Purchases. Gonna click on Show Account, and then you can see your account settings. So what we want to do is we're going to click on Country and Area. And we want to change our country and area to Canada. So we just type in Canada and we click on Continue. And we click on Agree right here. Payment, we select None. And then we type in our legal address in Canada. So if you don't have an address in Canada, this is not possible for you. So only with a legal address in Canada, you can do this and get Sora AI too. So after you have done this and you have typed in your legal address, then you can go onto the App Store and download Sora 2.